The 1966 Ford F100 listed for $2,000 in Alma Center, Wisconsin, presents an intriguing opportunity. With 120,000 miles on the clock and a manual transmission, this truck boasts a solid frame despite significant body rust. The current engine is a 300 inline-six paired with a 5-speed from a 93 Ford, but the original 300 and 3-speed are included. While it runs and drives, the drum brakes all around might need updating for modern driving safety. Given the solid frame and availability of original parts, this truck is a worthy candidate for restoration, especially for enthusiasts aiming to preserve its classic charm. Alternatively, it can serve as a valuable source of parts. The Ford F100 has a rich history as a durable and iconic workhorse, making it a beloved classic today. The 1979 GMC El Camino for $1,000 in St. Louis, Missouri is a mixed bag. With 150,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it features an upgraded 350 engine replacing the original 305. However, the interior has suffered cigarette burns and it hasn't been started in over 8 months. This project car runs, but its neglected state suggests significant work ahead. Given the El Camino's unique blend of car and truck design, it's worth restoring if you have the time and resources. Otherwise, its engine and parts could be valuable for other projects. The GMC El Camino, with its versatile and stylish build, has a cult following, making it a potential gem for the right enthusiast. The 1977 GMC 2500 regular cab long bed, listed for $2,000 in Drumright, Oklahoma, shows potential despite its rusty exterior. With only 69,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it has had 2 owners and includes numerous new parts: brakes, calipers, master cylinder, drum cylinders, steering column, spark plug wires, ignition module, neutral switch, air filter, and more. The seller also provides extra fenders, a hood, an AC compressor, belts, and additional rims. However, it has issues like bad wiring under the dash, oil leaks, no headliner, and a rusted bed near the cab. Given the extensive new parts and relatively low mileage, this truck is a strong candidate for restoration. The 1977 GMC 2500, known for its durability and classic design, could be a rewarding project for enthusiasts. Alternatively, its parts alone might justify the investment. The 1973 Triumph Spitfire, listed for $1,750 in Riverside, Illinois, offers a mix of promise and challenges. Despite needing significant work, it runs and drives, though trailering is recommended. The car includes the original top, spare, and new components like a water pump, starter, and aluminum radiator. The seller highlights functional lights, heater, upgraded brakes, and other parts. However, it suffers from oil leaks, transmission issues, and a leaking master cylinder. This Spitfire, with its iconic British sports car heritage, could be a rewarding restoration project for enthusiasts. Its unique charm and potential for fun driving experiences make it more than just a parts donor. Be prepared for extensive repairs, but the journey to restore this classic could be worth it for the right person. The 1972 Chrysler New Yorker sedan, listed for $1,500 in Sydney, Arizona, presents an intriguing project. Featuring a 440 big block Dodge engine with a 7-27 torque flight transmission, it runs but has significant issues, including smoking, backfiring, and difficulty idling without throttle. These symptoms suggest potential problems with seals or other engine components. Positively, it has a brand new Edelbrock intake and carburetor, a new alternator, and a trunk full of miscellaneous parts, including a new radiator. The body is rust-free and in good shape, indicating a solid foundation for restoration. Given its robust engine and classic status, this New Yorker is a promising candidate for restoration. Its 440 big block is a sought-after engine, and fixing the existing issues could revive this classic sedan. For enthusiasts, this car offers both a challenge and a potentially rewarding outcome. The 1977 Ford Pinto, listed for $1,500 in Overland Park, Kansas, is a bit of a mystery. With an automatic transmission and a burgundy exterior, the seller offers little detail on its condition, stating only that it needs to be trailered and its overall condition is unknown. It comes with a title and a used set of Fiesta ST wheels, still in boxes. Given the lack of specific information, this Pinto is a gamble. If you're up for a challenge and can inspect it thoroughly, it might be worth considering. Pintos have a unique place in automotive history, known for their compact size and affordability. Restoring it could be rewarding, but it also might end up being better suited as a parts donor, depending on its actual condition. Proceed with caution. The 1967 Chrysler Fury 2, listed for $1,500 in Columbus, Nebraska, is a compelling find, especially as a retired cop car. With an automatic transmission and a white exterior paired with a gray interior, the seller describes it as 9 out of 10 clean, emphasizing its very clean condition. This vehicle is paid off, and the seller is open to offers and trades, stressing the need for a quick sale. Given its clean condition and unique history as a police car, this Fury 2 is an excellent candidate for restoration. The Fury was known for its robust build and performance, making it a beloved classic. If the seller's claims hold true, this car could be a gem for collectors and enthusiasts, worth restoring to its former glory. The 1984 Cadillac Limousine, listed for $1,800 in Homosassa, Florida, offers a luxurious project opportunity. With just 41,999 miles, this six-door limo has an automatic transmission and a black exterior and interior. The seller notes it ran perfectly when parked, but now needs a new battery, fuel system cleaning, new tires, and the top replaced. The AC worked, but needs a new compressor clutch, and there's a minor exhaust leak on the passenger side. The leather top has sun damage. Despite these issues, the low mileage and overall condition make this limo a great candidate for restoration. With its classic Cadillac charm and luxury, bringing this limo back to life could be a rewarding project for enthusiasts. Make sure to budget for tax and title fees as required by the seller. The 1958 Chevrolet Biscayne, listed for $2,000 in Melcher, Dallas, Iowa, is a classic project car with 125,000 miles and a manual transmission. It features a black exterior and silver interior. The seller mentions rust in the floor pans, trunk, and above the headlights, which is typical for this model year. The current six-cylinder engine is in pieces, with plans to replace it with a V8. The car comes with a title. Given its iconic status and relatively complete body, this Biscayne is a promising candidate for restoration, especially if you plan to upgrade to a V8. The rust issues will require attention, but the car's classic lines and historical value make it worth the effort for enthusiasts. This project could yield a stunning vintage vehicle with the right investment and dedication. The 1978 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 regular cab and chassis, listed for $1,000 in Morrisonville, Illinois, is a practical and potentially valuable project truck. With a 350 engine and a 4-speed manual transmission featuring a splitter, it's noted to run well despite having sat for some time. The bright orange exterior adds a distinctive touch, though the interior color isn't specified. The truck needs work to be roadworthy again. Given its robust 350 engine and manual transmission, this Silverado is a strong candidate for restoration. Its classic design and heavy-duty capabilities make it ideal for enthusiasts seeking a reliable work truck or a classic vehicle to revive. At this price point, it's a worthwhile investment, whether you restore it fully or use it for parts. The 1972 Ford F150 Heritage Regular Cab XL Pickup, listed for $550 in Indianapolis, Indiana, presents a promising project. With 85,000 miles and an automatic transmission, it features a blue exterior and interior. The truck has a C4 transmission and an F-code 302 engine that is turning over. Notable issues include rust in the bed and battery area. The seller has a title in hand and is not interested in trades. This F-150, known for its durability and classic appeal, is a strong candidate for restoration. The solid frame and operational engine provide a good foundation. Addressing the rust and giving it some care could transform it into a reliable and stylish vintage truck. Given its classic status and relatively low mileage, it offers great potential for enthusiasts looking to restore a piece of automotive history. The 1977 Ford F250 base, listed for $1,600 in Walshville, Illinois, is a rugged project truck with solid potential. It features a 306-cylinder engine, 4-speed manual transmission, and a silver exterior with a red interior. The seller highlights brand new tires and a new gas tank, although the carburetor and gas tank still need installation to make it drivable. Additionally, the seat requires a cover. This F250, known for its durability and workhorse capabilities, is close to being roadworthy with just a few repairs. Its tough build and simple mechanics make it an excellent candidate for restoration or use as a reliable work truck. For enthusiasts or those in need of a solid vehicle with minimal investment, this F250 could be a rewarding project. The 1971 Volvo 164, listed for $1,000 in Forest Lake, Minnesota, offers a unique project opportunity. With 74,000 miles and a 4-speed manual transmission, this classic Volvo has a yellow exterior and a black interior. The car turns over but has no spark, and it is noted to be rusty. On the positive side, it has 4 new tires and is complete. The seller mentions that it comes with a bill of sale and can possibly deliver. Given its classic status and relatively low mileage, this Volvo 164 could be a rewarding restoration project for an enthusiast. The lack of spark might be a manageable issue, but the rust needs careful assessment. As a complete car, it holds potential for a full restoration, preserving its classic European charm. Alternatively, it could serve as a valuable source of parts for other 164 projects. The 1975 Chevrolet 2500 Crew Cab, listed for $1,800 in Mineola, Kansas, is a promising project truck. It features a 4-speed manual transmission, 4-wheel drive, and an orange exterior. The seller mentions a fully rebuilt engine with a Stage 2 cam, though details are limited to this. With its iconic square body design and robust build, this Chevy 2500 has significant potential. The rebuilt engine is a major plus, indicating solid mechanical health. Its 4-wheel drive and crew cab configuration make it versatile for various uses. This truck is a good candidate for restoration, offering a blend of classic style and practicality. If you're seeking a project with a strong foundation and mechanical upgrades, this Chevy 2500 could be a great investment. The 1977 Dodge Ram 2500 regular cab HD long bed, listed for $2,000 in Garnett, Kansas, is an intriguing project with potential. With 88,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a green exterior paired with a black interior, this former Army truck has a clean title and features a 360 engine with headers. It's been parked for over 10 years, so it will likely need significant work to get back on the road. The seller is motivated to sell and even includes a free camper for quick buyers. This Dodge Ram 2500 is a strong candidate for restoration, especially for those interested in military vehicles. Its robust 360 engine and classic design make it worth the effort. However, the long period of inactivity means it will require a thorough inspection and likely substantial repairs. For enthusiasts looking for a unique and historically significant project, this truck offers a great opportunity. The 1979 Chevrolet C60 Chrome, listed for $1,200 in Adams, North Dakota, is a solid heavy-duty truck with 70,000 miles. Featuring a 350 motor and a 4-speed manual transmission, it comes with an 18-foot bed, making it versatile for various hauling needs. The exterior is white and the interior is brown. The seller states that it runs well and comes with a clean title. It also includes 32 plus 18 pole shed poles. Given its robust build and functional motor, this C60 is a good candidate for restoration or continued use as a work truck. Its heavy-duty capabilities and relatively low price make it a valuable investment for someone needing a reliable vehicle for heavy loads. For those looking to restore a classic or use it for practical purposes, this truck offers a great opportunity. The 1979 Ford F150 Ranger, listed for $2,000 in Ada, Oklahoma, is a well-optioned classic truck with 150,000 miles. Featuring an automatic transmission, blue exterior and blue interior, this truck is loaded with options: tilt column, cruise control, power disc brakes, air conditioning, power steering, and a 351M engine with an Edelbrock intake and Holly carb. It also includes long tube headers, a bug shield, sliding back window, racetrack trim, an excellent condition grille, and a good cab. However, it lacks a title, and the engine needs a battery and fuel to run. Despite the missing title, this F-150 is an attractive candidate for restoration due to its extensive features and overall condition. The loaded options and solid mechanical components make it a valuable project for enthusiasts. With its classic appeal and numerous upgrades, restoring this truck could yield a highly desirable vintage vehicle. Ensure you can resolve the title issue before proceeding with the purchase. The 1974 Dodge Dart Swinger, listed for $700 in Princeton, Texas, is a budget-friendly project car with 80,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission, green exterior, and white interior. The car comes with a 318 engine, a desirable feature for Dodge enthusiasts. However, it lacks a title and only comes with a bill of sale from the original owner. For $700, this Dart Swinger is a potential gem for restoration or as a parts donor. The 318 engine and overall low price make it appealing, but the lack of a title could complicate registration. If you're willing to navigate the paperwork, this classic Dodge could be a rewarding project, given its iconic status and potential for customization. Proceed with caution and ensure you can address the title issue before committing. The 1978 MG Midget, listed for $1,800 in Richmond, Michigan, is a charming classic roadster. With an automatic transmission and a red exterior, this car is described as solid and originally from California, which likely means less rust. It ran a few years ago and has a new clutch, though it may need further bleeding to function properly. The car also features an upgraded distributor and coil. This MG Midget is an attractive candidate for restoration or as a fun project car. Its compact size and sporty design make it a favorite among classic car enthusiasts. With its solid condition and minor mechanical issues, it offers a relatively straightforward path to roadworthiness. For anyone looking to enjoy the classic British sports car experience, this Midget is a worthwhile investment. The 1964 Chevrolet Bel Air, listed for $2,000 in Mount Ayr, Iowa, offers a solid foundation for restoration. With a blue exterior and interior, this car comes with a clean title. The floors have some imperfections but are largely intact. The car lacks an engine, though the manual transmission remains. The quarter panels are rust-free but have a few dents. The driver's side is clean, while the passenger side has rust holes in the rocker and fender. The hood is dented, and the grille and front bumper are damaged. Despite these issues, this Bel Air has potential as a restoration project or a parts donor. Its classic design and relatively good condition make it a valuable find for enthusiasts. If you're willing to source an engine and address the rust and bodywork, this Bel Air could become a stunning vintage cruiser. The seller is open to offers and willing to assist with shipping, adding flexibility to the purchase. Wrapping things up with a real gem, a 1975 Chevrolet Camaro, which surprisingly didn't make it into the list of 20 classic car finds under $2,000 in this video. The 1975 Chevrolet Camaro Coupe two-door, listed for $4,000 in Grove City, Ohio, presents a promising project car with 86,077 miles. It has an automatic transmission, a striking orange exterior, and a black interior. The car can run and drive, but it has been sitting for a few months due to failed brakes. The rear quarter panels are rusted through, but the sale includes replacement skins. The interior is in good condition, except for the driver's seat. This Camaro is an attractive option for restoration, given its iconic status and the included replacement parts. Addressing the brake issue and installing the new quarter panels will be key steps in the restoration process. The relatively low mileage and overall condition make it a worthwhile investment for enthusiasts looking to revive a classic American muscle car. With some effort, this Camaro can be transformed into a stunning and powerful vehicle.